Alright boys, I gotta tell you guys something crazy. You know how yesterday I got the Volt bike and it cost $1 million? Well, guess what guys? That vehicle has helped me grind back up to 1 million. And guys, I did not cheat or buy any money. I legit did it by grinding. I've been grinding for hours to get here. And in today's video, we're gonna buy the Army helicopter. So let's do our final robberies together. And if you guys don't see my Volt bike, it's because I have a nice black skin on it. Alright, let's go. What to rob first? Can't rob Tomb because we need 3 people. What else is open? Casino's not open. A jewelry store is being robbed. I can go ahead and get into that. Look at all these Volt bikes. Alright, let's climb up here. Hopefully there's not a cop. Alright, there's no cops. We're good. Jump through here. Do this little lobby real quick. No damage. No damage, no harm, no foul. Alright. Ow. There. Here we go. Down here to where all the diamonds and jewels are. Let's bust this one. This will give us around $5,000, which will put us at around $993,000. None of these are open. Alright, gotta break this one. Alright, let's go down here. Alright, good. There's some of these. $4,500. There, 5,000. Now let's get back to the top. Ooh, ow. Ow! They'd be hurting me and also hurting my feelings. Alright, it's getting a bit risky now. Go. Oh, that's too close for comfort, that's for sure. Oh. Alright, ready? Go. Oh my gosh, that was close. I'm so slow. My health is on orange. Alright, we've made it to the top. Now we just gotta get up there and parachute to the criminal base. Please no cops. Alright, we're good. Just flying through the air on a parachute. Got a nice shiny red parachute. Go down in there. 993. 993. What should our final robbery be? It has to be over 7,000. Oh, museum. That's perfect. Museum will get me to 1 million. Let's head up to the museum. Oh. There we go. All right. This is our final robbery till we hit what? Ooh, never mind. Let's go to casino. Aw, man, I missed that ramp. Oh, well. Can I please drive, please? Maybe? Let's go at... Let's just travel at light speed to get to casino. Let's just travel at light speed. And I'll just head in here. Alright, looks like we are going to be the first person to get to casino. This will get me to 1,000,000. Yeah, the Volt bike was an amazing vehicle to buy. It has helped me so much with grinding because I'm almost at 1 million and I got it literally a day ago. All right, 6771. Help me remind that, guys. 6771. There we go. Dodge these lasers, head to security, get on out, dodge these lights. Excuse me, lasers. Gotta find the glowing red computer. Oh, there it is. Can't believe I'm almost at $1 million again. Like, that's... Oh no, we've triggered the police. But there's only 4 cops, so I'm not too worried. Ooh, that was close. Alright. Ow, wrong button. To the vaults we go. Take me to the vault! Take me to the vault! Alright. Let's go! Crack open this little safe that's extremely easy to crack open. Boom, easy squeezy. Collect you, collect that, collect this, collect that, collect this. And boy, I have an $11,500 bounty. I mean, my highest bounty is like almost 25,000. That's still pretty high. They're 8 grand. Gotta escape and then turn it in and then to the army helicopter. And after army helicopter, I'm gonna go for the drone. And guys, I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe if you wanna watch my stream tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing Jailbreak. I'm gonna play mostly Jailbreak because I'll be grinding for the drone. And then I may play some Bed Wars. So stay tuned for that and make sure to like and subscribe. Take me to the roof. No cops? Alright, we're good. Jump off the side of a building. Parachute. Jump out. Vault. Alright. This is it, guys. Watch my cash. Watch my cash, guys. Watch the cash. Watch my cash. 1 million. $1 million. To the army heli. And we're gonna do 1 robbery with the army helicopter. Here it is. I'm gonna be grinding for this. I'm gonna be grinding for that, but that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about getting the army helicopter. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Purchase. We've done it. We have done it, ladies and gentlemen. The army helicopter. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. This thing is so beautiful. Alright. You know what? No, I don't like that. We're gonna do the ball. How does that look? That looks pretty good. Alright, exit. Man, this thing is awesome. I got the army helicopter. Let's go, dude. Thing's also pretty fast. This vehicle will be really good for grinding. This thing is incredibly fast for a helicopter. Alright, what should we rob first? J store is being robbed. We're gonna go ahead and head to the J store. This thing can seat a lot of people also. Like, this thing can hold like 9 people if you include the rope. Alright, how do we park this thing here? Oh wait, no, that'd be a cop. That'd be a cop. Oh, bet. Let's head to the museum. This thing's really good. I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend the Volt bike first, but for your second 1 million vehicle, I would get the Army helicopter. And for the third one, I would get the drone. I need one more person at museum. It's got like nice little rockets on it. It's got spotlight, got another rocket. Look how much people this thing can fit in. Look how big this thing is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jeez, dude, this thing's really good. I would definitely recommend the Army helicopter. And this man's got the drone. There we go, our first robbery with the Army helicopter. Let's grab Mona Chicken. Let's grab Bridgeman. Let's go grab some bones. Man, this human must have been a giant. Alright, I'll just head over here. Solve this little diamond puzzle. You know what, you can do that. I'll head over here to this other puzzle. Alright. Connect you. And we'll just... There we go. You done yet, boy? Hurry up over there. Thank you. Missed the ladder. Head up here. Get in the Army helicopter and take off. This thing is incredible. This thing goes, its top speed is 130 miles per hour. I would definitely recommend this for grinding, but I kind of think Volt Bike is better for grinding. Because Volt Bike goes faster, but this thing is a helicopter and it goes around 130. So this is really good for a helicopter. But to be honest, I would kind of recommend the Volt Bike more for grinding. But if you like picking up people and like working with other people, then I would get the Army helicopter. Ow! Oh my God! What's happening? Move! Move, please. Fly. Fly. Yeah. Stay there, Army helicopter. Don't move. Let's walk all the way over there. Come on. Come on. There's $7,000. What are we gonna get? Okay, 1K cash. I'll take that. We're already back at 10K. Alright. Time to get this thing out of here. Come on. Back it up. Back it up. Oh, casino. Oh, wait, no. I said one robbery. Alright. Let's go ahead and land it. Alright. What are you doing? All right. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I can't believe I already got $1 million, and yeah, next I'm going to be saving and grinding for the drone. So stay tuned for that, and I'll also be streaming tomorrow, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.